Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Case Water Filter part #DA97-21261E. The Samsung Case Water Filter part #DA97-21261E is a replacement water filter for select Samsung refrigerators. This filter is designed to reduce chlorine, taste and odor, as well as other impurities from your drinking water. It also helps to reduce lead, mercury, and other contaminants that may be present in your water supply. The filter should be replaced every 6 months or when the change filter indicator light comes on. This filter is compatible with select Samsung refrigerators and should not be used with any other refrigerator model. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement water filter for Samsung refrigerators. It helps to reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as sediment, rust, and other impurities from the water. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. 3. Insert the new filter into the filter housing and turn it clockwise until it is firmly in place. 4. Flush the new filter for 5 minutes to remove any air and debris from the system. 5. Reset your refrigerator's water filter indicator light, if applicable, by pressing and holding the reset button for 3 seconds or following manufacturer instructions. 6. Turn on the water supply to your refrigerator and check for leaks around the filter housing. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.